me, Michael Kivo, back to another video. Today I'm here with Jaleesa. Today we're doing a drop test with this phone. How high should I do it first? Knee level?
Let's start.
Knee level.
Hey.
Nothing happened to it. Let's do it waist level. Nothing. Let's do head level. Nothing. What the? This one's indestructible bad. On a chair.
Okay, this is gonna be last. What do you do?
Ooh.
What is that?
Nothing. It's the old phone that doesn't work anymore. I'm doing a drop test. This is Bella.
Oh, and when you try and drop it. Now it broke.
No more cracks. It's just that the back popped off.
Are you serious? That's all that happens?
I used to have this type of
All
phone.
that.
I used to record off of this type of phone, guys. But this type of phone this phone isn't mine. For a test. Oh wow. More cracks. You can barely see them.
It's not touching the freaking screen at all.
Bet.
Freaking inside.
Bet. Flopped everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right there so it can catch the drop.
I'm gonna do a flag on it.
Guys, here it is. I'm stepping right here. Guys, don't touch because I'm recording. The phone's right there. Recording. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
No crack marks.
Nothing at all. 3, 2, 1, move.
Nothing. We're doing 1,000 drop tests, even from the screen. It doesn't break.
Yeah. Bet.
The screen.
Bet.
I did that 1,000 times.
Bet. Bet.
Off the balcony. Guys, come on, off the balcony. No.
Guys,
you're not.
bet.
Don't give me the video.
I did it.
You've got to get from the balcony. Mom,
3, 2, 1. Throw it up here.
why did you catch it?
Throw it up here. Throw it up here.
It cracked.
Throw it up here.
It cracked.
Okay, now. Guys, I'm going outside because this floor isn't breaking this phone. This phone's like indestructible. 3, 2, 1.
Is it gonna be on YouTube?
Yes, I'm posting this on YouTube. Nothing happened.
Don't hit me.
Drop test.
Oh, that was bad. That was.
This high.
And by the way, it's my channel, not his.
It's both of your guys' channel.
No, his channel's on our phone. I'm just recording for
3, 2, 1.
Look at this on YouTube.
Ooh, this
Ooh,
phone's
that's
gonna be
bad.
destroyed. I'm gonna chuck it up in the air this time. Haley, should I chuck it up in the air this time?
Look at that's my YouTube channel.
Stop you two fighting on my channel. Oh. Oh.
that was terrible.
The screen's about to pop off. I don't. No, I'm throwing it up, Haley. The screen's popping out. Look, it's not completely on the floor. Ah, that's funny. Hey, drop test again.
Okay, but make sure
Move, please. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, everything keeps on flying out. Oh,
that was terrible.
take turn, you guys.
I'm a camera guy. No,
No, you need a camera guy. You're bad at recording. No offense.
that was
Guys, it's cracked.
completely
I'm
terrible.
gonna chuck it up as high as I can. Did that land place first? Oh, guys, look at this. Don't touch it at all. Yeah, that's probably gonna get boring. Me, really, extremely. Oh. Nothing fell off that time. That means it landed face first. Oh. their old phone is garbage.
Let me try one.
Wait, guys, this phone's garbage now. This phone's completely garbage. Here, put it back. 3. First try to throw it up extremely high. Oh, throw it as hard as I can. Extremely high, yeah. Nothing popped off again.
Yeah.
Guys, look at the back.
That.
That's got some serious damage.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, time back to smashing. Okay, guys, back to smashing. I already said that. Then you can go, Haley. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, screen popped off. I'm gonna break it off. I don't want to touch it because glass can get in your hands. So 3, 2,
Hey.
chuck it up the stairs.
I'm going to grab one. I'm going to do the chuck one. Yes. I'm going to chuck. So will you walk there with me?
No, we have to. I don't know. You have to text Mom, Haley. Okay, bye, guys.